body has a natural system that cleans out poisons that build up in the body. Toxins are everywhere, in our food, water, and even in the air we breathe. Because of high levels of toxins, experts say to follow a detox diet once in a while to help the natural system of your body. Detoxing helps the liver work properly and helps bring the body back to its natural, balanced state. It will make you feel good and lower the risk of getting sick a lot due to high levels of toxins. Here are some things you can do to naturally flush toxins out of your body. 1. Drink plenty of water. Water is important for the health of all your main organs because it helps in every metabolic process in the body. Water also flushes toxins out of your body. In fact, water helps your body move out feces, which have a lot of toxins. When you keep the bowel and digestive system healthy, it helps your body get rid of harmful toxins each time you use the bathroom. Try to drink between 8 and 10 glasses of fresh water every day. However, you may need to drink more or less based on your climate and activity level any day. For better detoxification, every morning on an empty stomach, drink a glass of water that has been stored in a copper vessel to keep your digestive system working properly. Always check the color of your urine to find out if your body has enough water. If your urine color is clear, it means you're drinking enough. 2. Start your day with lemon water. To lower the amount of harmful toxins in your body, start each day with a glass of lemon water. The citric acid in lemon helps detoxification. The form of lemon juice is like the digestive juices found in the stomach, which helps the liver make bile. More bile keeps food moving smoothly through your gastrointestinal tract. The lemon even alkalizes the pH level of your body, making your body strong against many diseases. To make lemon water, squeeze the juice from half a lemon into a glass of pure, warm water. If you want, you can add a little raw honey to it. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach and wait 30 minutes before eating your breakfast. 3. Enjoy detox smoothies. Green smoothies made from fruits and vegetables like spinach, kale, beetroot, apples, oranges, pears, kiwis, pineapple, avocado, alfalfa sprouts, and ginger are a great healthy ingredient to add to your diet. You can also use different berries, nuts, and seeds in it. Green smoothies are good for detox because they help the digestive tract get rid of toxic waste. All the ingredients in these smoothies boost proper digestion and are full of antioxidants that help clean your body of toxins. 4. Drink green tea. To help detoxification, switch from your regular coffee to green tea. Green tea is full of antioxidants that help the detoxing of the body. This is because they boost the creation of glutathione, a carrier antioxidant that rids the body of harmful toxins. Green tea also has a kind of micronutrients called polyphenols, which make fat-burning hormones that are stopped by toxins. This healthy tea also helps the body break down materials, which is good for weight loss. Try to drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea every day. If you get bored of green tea, switch it with other herbal teas that have detox properties. 5. Get some exercise. Sweating is a great way to help your body get rid of toxins. Sweating helps get extra salts and other bad toxins out of your body. To boost sweating, nothing is better than regular exercise. When you exercise for at least 30 minutes a day, you power up your lungs and get the air flowing. This pumps toxins out of the body all the time, and it makes your heart stronger. To help detoxification in a natural way, get up and exercise every day. 6. Eliminate toxic substances. If you want to detox your body naturally, it is important to lessen or fully get rid of toxins that you have control over. 2 of the things that you need to stay away from are coffee and alcohol. Lower the amount of coffee and alcohol you take in before getting rid of it altogether. Tobacco is also not good for you. You will slowly feel how it helps without the nasty withdrawal symptoms. You have to stay away from packaged, processed food items in order to stop all the chemicals, preservatives, and additives found in processed foods from coming into your body. Don't eat foods that come in cans, bags, or boxes. In fact, don't eat any sugar or artificial sweeteners because they add to toxic buildup, mostly in the nervous system and brain. At the same time, lessen the stress in your life. When your body is under stress, toxin levels go up. Lowering stress will make it easier for your body to detox every day.